In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram without an account. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. Of course, the easiest way is just to download the app and then just create an account, but if you won't do this, we have the solution. So all you need is just to use your browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, basically it doesn't matter. So after that, all we need is just to open our browser. We'll close these pages, so create a new one. And if you try to find like Instagram typical, if you try to open it, it will automatically switch into our account like in an app, or it will require you to log in. So basically there is no ability to view someone's profile. So to view the profile, we need to search for direct account. For example, let it be like Instagram of Cristiano Ronaldo. So as you can see, we have the first link right up here, like his page. So after that, we need to click on it and then just hold our finger. And then this option will appear, like open in a new tab, open in incognito, or just copy link. So I suggest you to click on open in a new tab. So after that, we'll be created a new tab. So we can just click here. And as you can see, we don't have an account. We can just log in or open in app, but we can still watch view his posts, watch his stories. If you'll try to click somewhere, for example, to this, we can see the description, we can see some top comments, but if we'll try to open all of them, we can see it requires us to open the app. So basically, this is the easiest way how we can use Instagram without an account. It's not that all features here, but this is the way. I hope, guys, this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.